What's up, guys? We are doing something a little different today. We are talking about a themed watch brand that's been around for about 40 years. These guys don't copy and paste. They march to the beat of their own drum. Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are looking at FIYTA and their Interstellar series. And I cannot wait to dig into this one. This is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. Are you ready? Of course you are, and let's begin with a tell of the tape. The case measures in at 42 millimeters in case diameter. It's 49 millimeters lug to lug and about 12.5 millimeters thick. You get 316L stainless steel everywhere. I'm talking about the case back crown, and bezel. You get a flat AR-coated sapphire crystal and 100 meters of water resistance. These are details that immediately elevate the feel of the watch beyond what you would expect for one that costs around $150. Now let's talk about this dial, because this is where the Interstellar theme really comes alive. The dial is skeletonized with a subtle rocket ship shape built into the design. Just inside and below the minute track, you can see a textured, almost grainy surface that adds depth and character. The baton hour markers and minute track are applied on a gunmetal gray, which again is layered. I have to say, I love the color choice here. It's absolutely fantastic and gives that clean, refined appearance. And it gives the watch a much more upscale feel than the price would suggest. Let's move a little further down, and at the bottom of the dial, you'll see the words Spaceship Automatic. And personally, I'm not sure that really adds anything positive. It doesn't ruin the watch by any means, but it also doesn't elevate it in my mind. It's just kind of there. Now let's flip the watch over and have a look at the case back. Here you can see the exhibition case back here, which just opens up the engine room for you. Inside the watch is a Miyota 8000 series automatic movement. This is a reliable, proven workhorse. Nothing exotic, but dependable and easy to live with. Through the sapphire exhibition case back, it's actually not a bad looking engine room either. And it's also nice to be able to see what's powering your watch. You'll also notice it's rated at 100 meters of water resistance, and that makes it a solid everyday wear piece. And let's take a look at this bracelet. And honestly, this is a pleasant surprise. It's kind of a standout here on this model. It's 316L stainless steel, has excellent articulation, really nice light play. It's extremely comfortable on the wrist, and it's honestly one of the highlights of the entire package. That said, I really wish FIYTA had included a half link. Without it, getting that perfect fit can be difficult, since your only real adjustment option is removing full links. On wrist, it wears very comfortable and feels nicely balanced, but man, you need a half link here for sure. And now let's fire up this lume and do a lume test. Well, it's honestly a little disappointing. It lasts just a few seconds and fades quickly, so let's move on. Let's talk about the successes and opportunities of this watch. We like to call this segment Gripes and Likes. This is a solid submission by FIYTA. However, no watch is perfect, and this one has a lume problem. The second gripe is bracelet sizing without that half link we talked about, or micro adjustments. Dialing in that perfect fit will be nearly impossible for most wrists. But again, this is by no means a hard stop for me. I wish it wasn't a bump in the road, but there are enough positives about this watch that I'd be willing to find a workaround regarding the sizing. I absolutely love the gunmetal gray color. It's sharp, it's refined, and far cleaner than you would expect at this price point. I also really appreciate how unique this watch is. FIYTA clearly thinks outside of the box, and more importantly, they're equipped as a company to actually put those ideas into motion. So overall, this is a watch with strong personality. It does have some flaws, but it delivers comfort and quality. If you guys want to know more, we put a link in the description. Go there, check it out, and see if it's something that you would enjoy. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. All right, it's time to wrap it up, so we will close the show. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch. We'll do it all again next time, but wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.
and let's talk watches.